Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you love your fur baby as much as I do, then you're always going to be looking for high quality food that they're going to love, but is going to be the best for them. I've been feeding this Rachael Ray Nutrish to my little cat Elsie for the past several months. She just loves it. As soon as I put it into the bowl, she comes running over and just snarfs it down. These are small dry pellets and they have turkey, chickpeas, and salmon in them. These are real ingredients, which I really appreciate. That way I know that Elsie is getting high quality food and not just fillers. This has natural pre and probiotics in them, and that can be really good for her digestive system. She transitioned over to this food really easily from the other brand that I was using several months ago. I got the 14-pound bag. My cat is kind of small and I just have the one, so this bag will last me probably about 6 months. I think this is really good food for Elsie. She enjoys it and I'm happy that she's getting something really healthy, but that's just my point of view.